tidied up with machinery that's, some of it's about 100 years old. McCormick hay kicker, I mean, they were in production 100 years ago. Was the hay. Every farm would have stock. It wouldn't just be the working horses that would need hay, but the cattle and the sheep and the house cow. So there you go, clean lift, no bother at all. Now that's a lot quicker than backing into that with a horse-drawn hay bogey and winching it on. So there was progress. So there you go, and the ruck's off back into the farm. Yeah, that'd be great. So that was